Blog posts, I don't really do a lot of blogging necessarily, but it could be very beneficial depending on what you're selling, just to start ranking on Google, get that organic content. And here would be a good example of where you could do that. So simply by clicking create blog post, you can write it. It's kind of a rudimentary way of writing it here. So you can add images in this, you can add text, and you can format things as, H1 through H6, block quotes and paragraphs. You can bold, italic, or underline things. So that all does work in here. But like I said, it's kind of all working in this one little content box right here. We can add a title to the top. We can add an image as well. So that's your featured image. If this gets shared on, say, Facebook, for example, that's the image that is going to be shown next to the title. We've got author on the bottom right, and we can add an excerpt right here, as well as customize the search engine listing, which is going to be much like I showed you before, where you have you get to choose what the title is with the blue text on Google, as well as the little meta description down below. So like I said, I'm not going to write a blog post right now. I'm not going to write a blog post right now. I thought about that for a second, but I think it's just going to take up too much time in this video. I just wanted to show you guys where you can go about doing that.